Hello, America. This is Mark Hale with Wilson Print Marketing's Marketing Tip of the Day. Today, I want to talk to you about newsletters. Newsletters probably 20 years ago were the thing. People did them. They worked. It was an effective way to stay in front of your customers. What happened in the last 20 years is people, I'm going to call a spade, they went on the cheap. They tried to produce a newsletter to get the message out and send it out digitally via email, which that worked for a period of time, but now, people are inundated with so many emails. They don't read them. They're not with the email that much. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't hurt to do it, but it can't be the leg of your marketing table if you want to grow your business. So you need something with a little more impingement and a little more bite to it, and that is a printed newsletter. At Wilson Print Marketing, we design and publish newsletters for various types of businesses across the country. And the benefit of a newsletter is, one, it's held onto. You can hold it, see it, touch it, read it. It gives you a more personal experience with that customer. It's read and it hangs around a lot of times longer than any other form of direct mail piece. So if you're trying to hang on to the customers that you have, every customer you have, there's 10 competitors trying to steal or entice that customer to leave you and go to them. So staying in front of your customers is very important, which brings me to how often should you do a newsletter? It depends on actually your business and what you're doing. If I was, for example, a real estate agent and I was marketing to a group of people, I would mail a newsletter every 4 to 6 weeks to that group of people. It's kind of a low burn way to market and influence people towards the direction of your company and build your brand with that group of people. If you're a dental office, same thing. You've got other dentists in the area that are trying to lure your patients away to their practice. You need to mail a newsletter to them. Now, the newsletters touch on a very important point. You don't want to have too much technical mumbo jumbo in the newsletters. They need to be very, for lack of a better term, bubblegummy. They're a lot of enjoyable reading. You've got tips, trivia, travel things of that nature. Then you can put an article in there about, if you're a dentist, like the importance of, flossing or whatever the subject is. If you're an automotive repair thing, you can put a repair article coming in. Let's say we're coming into the summer. What are the things that people need to remember about upkeep of their cars during the, the summertime with the higher temperatures and things that cause wear and tear on the cars. So you put one of those articles in, and then we put in a lot of filler material that makes it a little more entertaining for them to read and hang on to. So newsletters are a very, very effective way to stay in front of your customers, to keep your customers, to hold on to them and keep them from shying away and going to one of your competitors. So I hope this information has helped you. If you need any help with a newsletter or some other type of marketing, please feel free to call us. But if you like this content, please share it with a buddy and tell a friend. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching the video.